In this video, I will show you how to export a frame as a PNG in Miro. First, log into your Miro account. Once you're in your main dashboard, you will see your menu list on the left side of your screen where all your tools are located. Next, go to your board and select the frame you want to export. Click on it to highlight it and you will notice a row of options appearing just above the frame. On the right side of that row, click on the three-dotted menu button and a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select Export as Image. Another pop-up will show up, giving you several options for export size. You can choose from small, medium, large, or vector depending on the quality or file size you prefer. After selecting your desired option, click on Export, and Miro will automatically download your frame to your computer as a PNG file. And that's how to export a frame as PNG in Miro.